Good morning, students. We were doing exercise 15C, mathematics, chapter perimeter and area. So, in last video, we have completed till question number 10. Now, we will start with question number 11, problem solving. So, here, a playground measures 300 meter by 170 meter. Find the cost of planting grass on this at the rate of rupees 80 per hectare. Okay, so here playground measures if length and breadth is given. So we know that if length is and breadth is given means this playground is a rectangular shape. So that's why we can first of all we will write here. I have solved, you can see length of rectangle L, it is given 300 meter, and breadth of rectangle it is given 170 meter according to the question. Now we need to find first area of rectangular ground playground. So we can write is equal to length into breadth. Now in place of length you can put 300 meter, in place of breadth we can put 170 meter. When you will multiply this, so you will get 51,000 meter square. Meter into meter, meter square. And obviously we know that area unit is square meter or square meter square. Now first they are asking the question that you have to find the answer this in hectare. See, you have to find the answer in hectare. So we should know the conversion. Here 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So 1 meter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare. Means meter square, when you will convert meter square into hectare, that time you have to divide by 1000. And if you will convert hectare into meter square, that time you have to multiply with 10,000. This conversion you should know. So here we are converting this meter square into hectare. So we will divide by 10,000. Okay. Now 3 zeros and 3 zeros we can cancel out. 51 upon 10 is remaining. That we can write 5.1. Now this is only that we got the area. Now we have to find the cost of planting the grass. So that time what we have to do? Cost of planting the grass at rupees 80 per hectare. So this 80 rupees per hectare they are giving. So rupees 80 multiply with 5.1 hectare area. So when you will multiply, so see here rupees 80 as it is 5.1. When you will remove the decimal point, you can put 1 0 in denominator. 0 0 it will be cancelled out. 51 multiply with 8. What will come? 408 rupees. This is the answer. Means cost of planting the grass is rupees 408. Okay. Now question number 12 we will solve. So you can see in the question number 12. Here a wooden door 2 meter and 8 centimeter high and 1.2 meter wide has 4 glass pans fitted on it. Each pan is 40 centimeter by 20 centimeter. What is the area of the wood? So here you can see this is the wooden door. Here these 4 pans are glass pans. Okay. Then we have to find the area of this wood. Okay. So first of all we need to find the area of full door. Then we have to find area of 4 pens. And then after getting we have to find the area of wood. So for that area of door minus area of 4 pens we have to subtract. That is the method. So first of all length it is given, you can see here 2 meter and 8 centimeters. So we will convert this centimeter into meter because we need one unit at least. So this one also we will convert into meter. So how you will convert into meter? See, length of wooden door is equal to L. 2 meter and 8 centimeter is given. 2 meter as it is, 8 centimeter we have to convert into meter. So we will divide by 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That's why 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So that time we will divide by 100 meter. Then before in denominator 2 zeros, so in numerator before 2 digit we have to put the decimal point. It will come 0.08. Okay. Now this we will add, so you will get length 2.08 meter and breadth already given, it is 1.2 meter. Now after getting length and breadth we can find the area of door. Area of door, it is, you know that it is a rectangular shape. So we can find area of rectangle length into breadth. In place of length, we can put this. In place of breadth, we can put 1.2. After multiplying, you will get this answer, 2.496 meter square. Now, dimension of pens is given. These 4 glass pens are there, so their dimension means length and breadth is given, 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter. This answer we got in meter square, so this one also we should in meter square. So we will convert this into meter. So that time we 40 divided by 100 meter, so you will get 0 0, it will be cancelled. 4 upon 10 means before one digit we have to put the decimal point, means 0.4 meter. Same thing here, 20 upon 100, so this 0 0 it will be cancelled. So 2 upon 10 means before one digit we have to put the decimal point, so it will come breadth 0.2 meter. Now after getting the length and breadth of pen, first we will find area of each pen, means one pen area we will find. This area of one pens we will find, one pen. So length into breadth, in place of length 0.4, in place of breadth 0.2. When you will multiply, 0.08 meter square will come. Now these 4 pens are there, so we need to find area of 4 pens. So that time this area we will multiply with 4. 4 8s are 32, so it will come 0.32 meter square. Now we have to find the area of this wood. Okay, how much wood is there used in this door? So for that time, area of wood is equal to area of door minus area of 4 pens. So area of door we got from the question, from here you got area of door is 2.496 meter square, and area of 4 pens we got 0.32 meter square. So from that, area of door minus 0.32 area of 4 pens. So you will get the final answer, 2.176 meter square. If you are solving in centimeter square, so this answer will come like this way. Okay. Now next question number 13. See, question number 13 is, how many square meter of glass will be required for a window which has 12 pens, each measuring 25 meter, and how many square meter of glass will be required for a window which has 12 pens, each measuring 25 centimeter by 16 centimeter. Okay, so here first of all you can see question number 13 here, a square meter of glass will be required for a window. So that time we know that area of pen, length and breadth is given, and they are telling us area of this. So if it is length and breadth is given, means we have to find area of rectangular pen. Okay, so area of rectangular pen, that length into breadth. So length is 25 centimeter, breadth is 16 centimeter. So when you will multiply 400 centimeter square, answer you will get. But they are telling area of 12 pens, which has 12 pens, means for each pen we got 400 centimeter square area. So if 12 pens are there, so in this area we will multiply with 12, so you will get 4800 centimeter square. But they are telling answer should be in, see, it will come in a square meter, meter square we have to find the answer. So generally we know that conversion, like 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, this we know. But if it is 1 meter square, that time means 1 meter into 1 meter, it will come 1 meter square. So 1 meter square is equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, which is 10,000. 100 into 100, 10,000 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square will come. This simple conversion we have to use. Okay, now we know that meter square, this meter square is a bigger unit than centimeter square. So that time if you have to convert centimeter square into meter square, that time we have to divide by 10,000 centimeter square. Now 0 0 it will be cancelled out, 48 upon 100. So before 2 digit put the decimal point, from right to left. This is 2 digit. Before 2 digit, put the decimal point from right to left. It will come 0.48 meter square. Answer. Okay, so this is the solution. Clear? Now question number 14. You can see question number 14. Here question number 14 is given. Floor tiles are 25 centimeter squares. How many tiles will be needed for a rectangular lawn 12 meter long and 10 meter wide? Find the total cost at the rate of rupees 8 per tile. Okay, so here we need to find that first how many number of tiles they are required. How many tiles means we need the number of tiles required for a rectangular lawn. Okay, and then last we have to find the cost of tiles. So first of all, we can solve like this way. You can see here. First, length of that tile, it is given C 12 meter and breadth is given 10 meter. So it is given in meter and we need to find for this in centimeter. So that time we will convert this. Meter you will convert into centimeter. So that time 12 multiply with 100 centimeter. So it will come length is equal to 1200 centimeter. Same way breadth also we will convert into centimeter. Okay. Now after converting this, so you will find area of lawn. Area of it is a rectangular lawn. So we have to apply area of rectangle formula, length into breadth, which is 1200, length, breadth 100 meter, 1200 and 1000 centimeter. That when you will multiply, so you will get this answer. Centimeter square. Now side of tiles, which is given, floor tiles are 25 centimeter squares. Means side of that size of that tiles, it is given 25 centimeter. Size of tiles it is given 25 centimeter. One tile. Then area of tiles. So it is a square tile, means we have to find the area of square, which is side square formula. So that 25 one side of one tile is 25. So in place of side we can put 25. 25 square means 25 multiply with 25. What we will get? 625. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So area of tiles we got 625 centimeter square. Now we need to find the number of required tiles to cover the floor. Okay, how many tiles required they are telling. So number of tiles, for finding number of tiles, this formula is there. Area of floor upon area of tiles. So area of floor means this lawn area we need to find. So that you will put an area of tiles we got 625. So divide this, you will get 1920 tiles. Now cost per tile is given rupees 8. So cost of 920 tiles, that time we have to multiply rupees 8 into 920. Okay, you will get cost of 920 tiles rupees 15,360. Answer. Okay,